In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to watch an expired Zoom meeting recording. If you've clicked a Zoom recording link and seen a message saying it's expired, don't worry. This usually means the host set a time limit or the recording was moved to their trash. You can't override that from your side, but there are clear ways to get access again. Start by reaching out to the meeting host and ask them to restore or reshare the recording. Hosts can often recover cloud recordings that were deleted or expired, depending on their account's retention settings. When you message them, include helpful details like the meeting topic, date, and approximate time so they can locate the correct file quickly. A short, polite note saves everyone time and increases your chances of getting the recording restored. If the original link is no longer valid, request a new recording link from the host. Sometimes the link changes when a host adjusts settings, updates the expiration date, or re-enables sharing. Ask them to confirm that the new link is active, that you have the right permissions to view it, and whether a passcode is required. If you're using a work account, let them know which email you'll sign in with so the access matches your profile. If resharing isn't possible, ask if the host can download and resend the video file. They can export the recording from Zoom and share it through a cloud drive or secure file transfer. This approach bypasses expiration altogether. If you also need the audio transcript or chat file, mention that in the same request so they can include everything in one go. Keep in mind that large video files may take time to upload, so offer flexibility on timing or suggest a file sharing method that works for them. Finally, check your email in case Zoom sent you an expiration notice with options. Search your inbox and spam folders for terms like Zoom recording, expired, or the meeting title. Some notices include details about when the link expired and may provide guidance on how to request access. If you find that email, forward or reply to it when contacting the host so they have full context. Including the exact expiration message helps them troubleshoot quickly. To wrap up, accessing an expired Zoom recording always involves the host. Be specific, be polite, and share any deadlines you're working against. With a restored share, a fresh link, or a direct file download, you'll be watching the recording again in no time.